Hey guys, what's going on? I'm out here with Saul from RC Crazy, and here I've got my HPI SavageXS, and Saul's got his little MJX Hypergo. He's just playing with that at the moment, and he was debating whether to use the gold body or the black body to bash around today, but as you can see, he's chosen the gold body. So we're just here at the skate park slash BMX track. We're just gonna have some fun this afternoon and see how we go. All right, so in this car, it has the stock standard 4000 kV motor. It's a 3660, and it's got the 80 amp ESC in there as well, 2 to 3S capable. But today I'm just going to be running on my 5000 milliamp 2S battery today. So we'll have some fun and yeah, we'll get it going. Just play around a little bit on the grass for now. So I haven't had one of these before. This one that I have purchased is second hand, but I've heard they are a lot of fun. There is a new model that's come out, but this is still the first model. And on 2S, it is more than enough power. Oh, there we go. Say again? 2S, yeah. So as you can see, it also does have the bigger wheels on it. It doesn't come standard with these size wheels. The other wheels are a touch smaller than this. The only thing a little bit with this car is that the center of gravity does sit a little bit higher, so it does tend to roll a lot more. But it runs really great. Just can't do any sharp turns, not too many sharp turns. Oh, there you go. You put that power on, it just wants to launch. You want to have a play around on these jumps? Yeah, let's go on the jumps. There we go.
Those wheels look extremely big for that car.
It is too big. Look, as soon as I power up, it's just full launch. Let's see how we go on the jumps. There's a few guys here, but we should be right. We stay to one side. Whoa, nearly got you. Oh, jeez. Might have to downgrade these wheels, I think. Put the smaller wheels back on. Got to find that nice spot where it's just going to stay up. Oh, too hard on the brake. Oh, where'd you go? Oh, I rolled ya. Yeah, I'll see if I can get you over. Drove over the top.
The wheels are too big.
Yeah, let's go in this dome area. This looks nice in here. Oh. Oh, alright, let's try going off the jump this way. Oh, nice one. Lovely. All right, I think I've worked it out. As we're coming off the top of the jump, let that throttle go just that little bit. Oh, beautiful. All right, we're starting to work this one out now. What's going on? Something seems a bit funny on the steering. Oh, what have I done here? That's why. What is going on this front steering here? What is going on here? I reckon I've broken the dog bone on the outdrive, but on the under the hub side, because it spins. Can't really see what's going on here. It's still intact. Okay, well, it's gonna have to be 2-wheel drive, 3-wheel drive for now. All right, let's keep playing with it until it breaks. That's why it's pulling right a little bit, or pulling left, sorry. All right guys, so I'm gonna leave the HPI there. No great damage, just broken the pin on the left-hand front dog bone. But that's gonna be it for this car, and I'll probably get some other cars out in another video. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.